let's pressure wash this engine real quick. I'm gonna do a little by hand. So I'm using Purple Power full concentrate. Be careful where you spray this. Do not spray it on the connectors. Here we go. So engine dressing. It's looking like $1,000,000. Now let's go ahead and finish the outside. This thing hasn't seen a shower in years, so let's go ahead and get it all dolled up. I've become a fan of this stuff, so it actually cleans really, really well. And allegedly it's pH balanced for polished wheels. So let's go ahead and wash this thing. All right, so this is a very coarse sponge. It's very rough. You know, I wouldn't normally recommend this, but because this car hasn't been washed, it's actually been neglected most of its life. It needs something that can actually break through the gunk. All washed up. Now, just did the door jams. Gotta hose them down a little. There. Back of the cap. And in here. So I started around, I don't know, 1 o'clock. It's 7:30-ish now. See. It wasn't a big clean. Like there's no compound or anything involved, but I did give a very good bath with a pressure washer. I got into all the crevices everywhere that you could imagine. Don't get me wrong, I mean, she still has her issues, and there's things in the paint that, you know, I gotta get painted no matter what. But overall, as you can see from where we were, to where we're at, nice and clean. Looks a whole lot better.